Welcome to How to Learn French. How did you learn to speak your mother tongue? Certainly not by learning the alphabet, the vocabulary, or tones of sentences by heart. Even less by attending a seminar. In fact, you could neither read nor write and could hardly walk. But yet you learned to speak your mother tongue naturally and easily. By repeating words and sentences you heard every day. And it was very effective. With Htlf, learn French like a kid. Meaning, by repetition. Whatever your age, whoever you are, and wherever you are, Htlf provides you with contextual videos in French. Your part is to activate your natural ability to acquire language. By watching these videos, by listening to words and sentences over and over, and by practicing without cease. And you will fairly quickly be able to speak easily with your French-speaking friends. With Htlf, learn French the way that gives the best results. With Htlf, learn French with ease.